them, how are they made, and what are we trying to prevent. My point is this: what are you trying to prevent? If the cold, cough, diarrhea, rashes, all the symptoms you are calling, if it is not there, the body cannot function well. Achha, what is the function of the body? The function of the body first is to keep a pH level balanced. So balancing is the first, and the balancing can happen only through cleansing. So only when the cleansing comes, the balance will come. For the balance to come, you have to balance the wear and tear of the body correctly. What is ESR? The body is getting overworked, wear and tear is high, it cannot rebuild itself, so the sedimentation is coming. So what you have to do, two things: energy and building material. And the building material is decided not by intellect, it is decided by nature. So then you will have to go there and see what is my relationship with nature. So is there any other organisms are all living in that? Then you will say it's not practical, that's not my way. It is not practical, you suffer. I don't want to suffer qualitatively in my life, so I made everything practical. Now I am pleading with all of you, we can all make it more easy, more effortless, if there is an understanding of the way in which we can leave something for our children. I mean, a country who has preached, who had boasting to say that we are a non-violent country, celebrated bomb that we, and it is some science which you have copied. So where is Atma and where is atom? Where is Buddhi and where is Buddha and where is bomb? Are they in the same camp? Can they coexist? Where is devil and where is divinity? Where is energy and where is evil? Can energy be evil? It can never be. I was part of the activist on Bhopal. And Bhopal has been predicted by a journalist, he is a colleague of mine, 3 months, but we don't have pollution, and thank God we don't have pollution, that's why I have the freedom. So you cannot withdraw the funding that you are giving me. Excuse me, sir, I live in a democratic country. And I have no way that even if I will not go to the court, I will not go to the jail. Because I won't go to the court, I won't go to the jail. I'll settle it as a relationship. Yes, maafi mangti hu. Finish, kahani khatam. I don't have an ego. So you don't have to sit and do meditation to throw the ego. Put it in action. Spirituality is decisive decision in action. So how do we take a note of how many of you are in this? What is the commitment we can have now? I promise I'm going to give you a handful of tips for you to realize how better you can live without damaging anybody, how empowerment can happen. Wherever you are, you will feel that I am empowered, and that you will feel within yourself. That I will give you. Here, now this temporary role is to motivate you to just let's have a dialogue. Yes, I have also said 6,000 years of human progress to whatever little I can see, I saw it. And one day I have to say, no, I don't want to take that path because they are only taking leadership for somebody else. Don't follow anybody, don't follow Vijay Venkat, don't do anything. Get motivated and in action. Spirituality is decisive decision in action. Don't give excuse. What kind of an excuse you are giving? I don't get anything. What is it you don't get? No, you are at a very different level. I am at a different level. Whose different level? Who makes a different level? As children, we all have the capacity to laugh and enjoy. Yes or no? Yes. Where did we lose that? I have also lost it. At the most of the day, at the end of the day, I say, oh, did I laugh? No. I have lost it. So it's only, I keep telling God, I know you only intellectually,